everybody, Drew in the moment. I am here at Hollywood Studios today, and I'm here for one reason, to check out the new Mickey Mouse Runaway Railway sign that everybody's taking pictures of and checking out and everything. Gonna do that for sure, and then just go around and see what else is happening around Hollywood Studios. So let's go do it. So we're walking down Sunset Boulevard right now, and it looks like all the scrim up doing something over here at Legends of Hollywood. And just to show you how busy it is here today at Hollywood Studios, we got a 115-minute wait for the Tower of Terror. And the line absolutely shows. This is crazy. Yeah, this is a cool Loungefly backpack. Very cool. And 75, alright. It's about what they're going for. Let's see what's inside of it. Well, nothing special, but it is cool because it is black and white, so. Yeah, it's cool. Very cute. I gotta say, that is pretty awesome. So you got the t-shirt and then you got the painting over here. Spooky, but very cool. It's kind of funny seeing the, you know, haunted mansion stuff here, but I mean it's somewhat relative to, you know, spooky kind of thing, but just funny seeing that here. And those things are $29.99, regularly $60. They're cool, but still, even for 30, I still wouldn't buy one. Alright guys, so I'm waiting outside for people to get off Tower of Terror. They had a fast pass for it, I didn't. But anyway, point being is, the gift shop's behind me, and I never realized if you're waiting and you need a coffee, there's a Joffrey's here. So I'm heading over near the Chinese Theater because I gotta go check out the new Mickey Mouse Runaway Railway sign. So it looks pretty awesome. Oh yeah, I can see it right now. Alright, let's go check it out. Oh, here we go, guys. Looks like there's a party going on. A hula hooping party, man. Oh, that's gonna look awesome at night. Look at that. Oh, still a little sad, because I love the great movie ride, but hey, progress is what it's all about. As I said, what the heck, guys? I'm going to go into Galaxy's Edge. There might not be anything new, but I just want to go in Galaxy's Edge, so let's go do that. If you haven't got your Millennium Falcon popcorn bucket yet, because they got them here. Go, you know, before you go into Galaxy's Edge.
Did they not answer?
Chewie just checking the ship.
Yeah, they're hiding from the
Well, looks like somebody lost their head. I've decided I'm gonna buy one of these milks. I don't know if I'm gonna get blue or green. So I finally broke down and I did it. Paid $8 for some weird looking milk. They say it's milk, but let's see how it is. I'm a little nervous. Smells good. It's good, but it's weird. I don't even know how to explain it. It's kind of fruity, but like mellow fruity. Alright. I'd say I'd get it again. I think I would get it again. Alright, I'll give it an 8. Green milk. So the more I drink this, I realized I had initially thought it was going to be really, really, really sweet, but it's not. It's not like sick to your stomach sweet. So yeah, it's just like a nice mellow flavor. I'm actually really impressed. I thought it would be worse. A little pricey, $8, but it's pretty tasty. I came over here to the Backlot Express, guys, and I'm going to get this burger right here, and we're going to try some chicken strips as well. But I noticed when I came in here, they have a Django Fett Stein for $13 and a Wookiee oatmeal cookie sandwich. So probably going to have to come back and get both of them, or at least one of them. Look at all these Steins just waiting to be used. Alright, so here is the bacon cheeseburger. This is $12. I'm not seeing bacon on it. But, oh, okay. No, it's got a little bacon on it. And some french fries, so not bad. Alright, so here we go. We're going to try out the burger. Pretty good. Nothing super special, but the price is pretty good, $12.99, and the french fries were nice and crispy. So. Alright guys, so I just was walking by and they're taking walk-ins for the Cantina, and I've never been in, so we're gonna go check it out. Here is the drink menu with no alcohol in it, because we don't drink. But I'm thinking about doing the carbon freeze. Looks pretty good. We'll see. I don't know what a provision is, but I know I'm not getting that today. But yeah, I think I'm going to do the carbon freeze. I want to let you guys know that I'm getting ready to go into the Cantina. And they said, at least for tonight, I don't know if this is always, but they said you're allowed 45 minutes. That's how long you are able to like stay in the Cantina. And 90% of it is standing room. So if you're looking for a place to like sit down and relax, probably not the place for you, but hopefully it's awesome like I'm imagining it will be. Alright guys, here we go. Oh my god, turbulence! Here we are. Oh yeah. Look at this place. Awesome, thank you so much. Oh yeah guys, this is awesome. So guys, I got the carbon freeze. Super cool, man. Here it is, guys, the carbon freeze. So good. That's awesome. Very cool. And this right here is the Hyperdrive Punch It. I don't know if you can see it very well. There we go. It's like a purple Powerade. Very cool. Very tasty.
This must be the one. That's no one. Nope. I actually don't mind it. This is DJ Rex from the cockpit saying, "Ah!" Wait! What?
That is going to do it for me today here at Hollywood Studios. I figured I'd end it on this note. Very cool, great drinks. The prices were pretty good. Just keep in mind, it is a little small. But yeah, super fun. That was a good day, and this was just like an added bonus. Wasn't even expecting it, but until I see you next time, guys, remember, there's only one way to live, in the moment.